Hi YouTube, it's Tom from ARTF Construction. This is in my own house. We never connected the line to the fridge, the water line to have ice, and I decided to do that today on a Sunday. So I start by doing a hole right here. I'm gonna run a 1/2 inch PEX line all the way to the water line, and I'm gonna put a shut-off valve. So I can, if I want to work on the fridge or something, I can always disconnect it and work freely and then connect, turn the water back on. So stay tuned. I will show you step by step. Thank you. Hey YouTube, I'm back. After making a 3/4 inch hole on the floor, I fed 1/2 inch water line blue PEX going down to the basement. And after doing this, I'm going downstairs and I'm going to work on the connection. I have to tap into the line and put a shut-off valve, so if we do need to work on the fridge or something, you can shut off the water comfortably. Plus, on the top of that, I'm doing additional shut-off valve on the top while I'll connect the braided line, stainless steel braided line, to the fridge. This way you have two contacts of disconnecting the water or stopping the water. This is how you can crimp the PEX line with an elbow. Very easy. Make sure you have at least 1/8 inch here before you crimp it, because if you don't, it's going to leak. So we're gonna make sure that it's at least 1/8 inch. This is the tool, and this is just a ring that they sell. 1/8 inch. That's code. I make sure I tie it first against the floor. Then I take my two hands and I squeeze tight. Now, this thing ain't never gonna leak ever again. I mean, ever. There is no chance of it leaking. It's a tight fit, and you can see. So now, I'm actually preparing this to cut into the line downstairs, so I can connect this, so I can have the shut-off valve connected to this. So this is where the water line is. Remember I showed you from upstairs? So it's coming from upstairs down. This is my utility room. So I left these without the sheetrock, so I know one day I was gonna work on these things. I'm gonna show you exactly. Let me get a flashlight. There you go. Right there. See where the pipe is coming down? That's coming from upstairs all the way down. And previously I had put a shut-off valve, and now this is the line that's coming down. I fed it, and this little piece that I made, I'm going to attach it this way, so I have access to the shut-off valve to control that water line. So now I made the connection. See, tight? I left 1/8 inch always to the fitting. Otherwise, who knows, it might leak in the future. But if you follow this, you'll never have a problem. So this is the connection. I didn't bother filming it because I showed you previously how to crimp the ring. And these are all PEX fittings. They sell everything. So it's not a big deal. Anybody can do it, So now I'm all connected downstairs. Everything is running. And you see my shut-off valve? It's off right now. But once I make the connection upstairs to the fridge, then I can turn this on and test the water to see if there is no leak upstairs. Here, I can guarantee it'll never leak. I'm going to show you how to cut the PEX tubing. Make sure you stay straight and cut it straight. And now from here I'm going to put a PEX. It's a 1/2 inch into 1/4 inch. I'll show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like. And this, we just put it over here and we press. I'll show it, I'll demonstrate. That's it. Now this is set. There is no problem. Never ever leaks. This is the braided line stainless steel with plastic inside. These are great to use for ice line. And also it has a built-in auto shut off valve, which is awesome. If you ever do have a leak, this line is going to just shut it quick, automatically, without you doing anything, which is awesome. So this is the braided line. This is the braided line stainless steel, recommended very highly. This is the one to use. Don't use those plastic cheapy ones, you know. These will last, they don't kink, they stay very strong. So all you do, you connect it right here. You don't have to be a scientist, and you surely don't want to pay a plumber to do this for you. This job will run you like 350 bucks, I don't know, depending where you live, what state. And this probably the whole material, we talking about maybe 80 bucks using quality, high quality product. And now this one goes into the fridge right here. Every fridge is equipped with the connection port. That's all you have to do. Just go like this, and then you tie it to the wrench. So, you know, don't over tie it because it has a plastic O-ring and you don't want it to be compressed and then it will leak. That's it. That's all it takes. So this complete the installation of an ice water line. If you don't have an existing one already, if you don't, just follow these instructions and you'll be able to pull off your own install. And you can enjoy your ice cubes in the summer. That's it. Thank you for watching. Hello again. After 24 hours exactly, I heard the ice cube starts forming after installing the water ice line. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe for more videos. Thank you.